What's up, guys? This is Frank from Lead Institution. I have a video for you. I got this question. Hey, I don't feel too confident running Facebook ads or TikTok ads. How do I know they work? Well, I'm going to teach you something that gives you confidence and shows that this does work. So you're going to Google Facebook ad library. You're going to Google Facebook ad library. You're going to choose housing. And then you're going to search, for example, buy a house. And this is going to give you all the real estate agents and wholesalers, investors that are running ads. You're going to go to filters right after that. You're going to choose your state. Leave languages open. Leave everything else. You don't have to move anything else. Just a date, for example. Let's go. I'm going to go a year back. So let's go to January 1st. And you apply the filters. What I like doing next, I scroll all the way down. I want to see who's running ads for the longest time. This right here, guys, is going to tell you who's been running ads for the longest time. This is going to give you the data and give you the confidence, letting you know that there's real estate agents out there that run ads. For example, these are all wholesale. This is a wholesale. This is a real estate team. This guy's been running barely December. Let's scroll down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Mortgage with Soci. These are mortgages. October. Rafael's buys it. This is. Let's go. So Chelsea backs these guys. I think these are new builds. This guy. Let's go to here. January 8th, 2024. So right here, depending on their budget, you already know they've been running ads for a while now. This gives you pretty much the data that you need. Okay, sorry about that. Once you click on their name to go to their Facebook page, you're going to click on About. After About, you're going to click on Page Transparency. It's going to tell you if this page is running ads or not. This page is currently running ads. You're going to click on See All. And then you're going to click to Go to Ad Library. And it's going to show you all the ads that they are running. You're going to scroll down. You're going to see this one, October 8th. You're going to see the one that they've been running for almost a year. This is data, guys. This person, this real estate agent is running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I skipped one, but 11 ads. So let's say 11 times, let's say their budget's $25 a day times 30. That's $750 times 11 ads. 8,000 he's spending, and that's on the low side, around $8,200 a month on ads. This is data, guys. This tells you only one thing. This tells you that it works. So, like I said, guys, if you're not confident, go through this. You can literally spy on your competition. It's information that's out there on Meta. I'll do a video for TikTok later on. And this is, let's say you know the real estate agent's name. Let's say you know that real estate agent's name. I don't know. Let's type in realty. Since I know there's many, here you go. That way you don't you don't find wholesalers and investors. So here's a lot of realty companies. For example, luxury homes. Is this in Arizona? Give me a second. Let me make sure. Yeah, I didn't choose. Phoenix. Let's go to Phoenix. Why is it not letting me? So you can go down and find your city. I don't know why by searching it's not coming up. By typing it. So you're going to look Phoenix. Where is Phoenix? Don't tell me you're not here, Phoenix. Really? Not sure why it's not coming up now. Maybe because of the keywords I typed in, realty. So not sure about that, but you saw when I typed in buy a house, I had the option to find Phoenix. So you can play around with it, guys. So what I'm trying to show you is that people are pumping ads into marketing dollars. Don't be scared. Run that first ad. Start getting data. Start finding out how it works. Again, know that the first, second, and even the third month, you might not get a lead. But if you learn this skill, there's a saying that says, give a man a fish, feed him a day. Teach a man how to fish, feed him a lifetime. If you learn this skill, guys, you're always going to have leads on the consistent basis. You're always going to, every single month, every single week, depending on how much marketing dollars you put behind it, how many videos you put behind it. If you see the competition is so low, look, many people are doing ads, nothing wrong about it, but you know where everything's going. You must brand yourself. There's thousands, if not millions of real estate agents out there. The only way for you to stand out is build your brand. Who are you? What do you stand? Who do you serve? Get known, guys. Start today. Little things. I'll do more videos about branding. But who are you? And again, run that first ad. Again, this is Frank. 10 plus years in real estate. I've done wholesaling, fix and flips. I've done a little bit of everything. Take action. Let's go.